Good morning, everyone. My name is Dan Krishna MV. I study in class 2B. Today I am going to discuss the importance of trees. Trees are a vital part of our ecosystem. They make our air fresh and clean, and they also help us in the conservation of soil, and they also provide shelter and food to many animals and birds. In our school there are a lot of trees. For some trees we gave the names of some famous literary works. The names given to the trees are Sobanam, Madilugal and Ambalamani. The poem Sobanam was written by Balamani Amma. Madilugal is a Malayalam novel. Madilugal is a Malayalam novel written by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir in 1965. Ambalamani is a Malayalam poem by Sugudha Kumari. We gave the names to the trees for promoting an eco-friendly school environment. Trees are very important for the environment, wildlife, and our health. We grow more trees, take care of them, not cut them. Save trees, save earth. Thank you.